What's going on YouTube? My name is Todd with thexking.com. Hit you with another video. In this video, we're going over my, I guess, 3.5 month to 4 month review of Acorns. So Acorns is an investment app, and pretty much the golden star about this app is they'll round up their purchases. Okay, so their claim to fame is if you buy a donut for $2.50, Acorns will round that up to $3, so it'll be 50 cents, and take that 50 cents and put into your Acorns investment account, and they'll invest on your behalf. Okay, so anything you buy with that link debit card, so anything that you pay a bill with, gas, so you put in $25.01, they're gonna round it up to $26, add 99 cents to that, take the 99 cents and add to Acorn. So I have saved with my roundups 241. Well, I'm sorry, not. So I have Acorns later. I'm being tongue twisted. Acorns later is the Roth IRA, and I have the core, my investment account. I have $241.81. I'm plus $5.96, which is good. And we go here. I've invested $200.32 invested. I got paid 82 cents in dividends. Found money $1. Plus $5.96. If we go to the core, I have invested $241 in roundup. So they made a change. So they have a roundup button so you can see all your roundups. So let's go to roundups. So let's see. I have total of 288 roundups. So what I invested in roundups, I added $50 to a long time ago, but in roundups alone, I'm talking about just spending my debit card like I normally do, buying gas, food, groceries. If it's if it's $10.96, they'll round up, take 4 cents, round up to $27, take that 4 cents and put into the account. I saved $189.19. That's just saving chump change. That's just saving pocket change. Now, could I save that much money in pocket change? Probably not, because I take change, I throw it in my coin drawer, and that's not doing no good. So I totally invested that much money, and you can see my roundups here with the Burger King. So $9.96, they round up 6 cents. So once it hits to $5, they'll take the $5 and put it into the account. Okay, so this is all my purchases so far: Walmart, Dollar Tree, Kroger. Every time I spend my debit card, it takes a little bit of chump change that I don't really see and put in this account. Now I can withdraw this $189 if I want to. The bill comes up, I can withdraw that money because it's my money. So if I want to withdraw, I can withdraw through my account. So I can withdraw if I want to. So that's Acorn. So I save that much money. I have the mildly aggressive portfolio. Right now I'm plus $7.96, which is pretty nice. It's easy. I don't do anything. The last 30 days, $32.43. And this is typical. What you might get. They have multipliers as well, and they have found money. And found money is one of the good things about Acorn. So I have $9.38 in found money. Okay. And so Chevron here, Chevron, they give you 25 cents if you spend $20. So really ain't no money, but if you go to Chevron anyway, you might as well go ahead and use it. Texaco's up here, Home Depot, Macy's. Most of them all online. Some Amazon stuff. The number one thing I use on here is Groupons. Groupons are a good place to spend your money on. So you want a discount on anything. You want to get Groupon is like a mini Amazon. They have a lot of products in there. So if you're planning a trip, use Acorns. If you're going to GameFly, go use Acorns. If you want to buy gift cards for family, instead of going to Walmart and getting a gift card, you can go here, get gift cards through here, and they will invest 1% of your purchase. So you want to get cards for Christmas or holidays, you can buy it through this app here, and Acorn will give you money. Okay, so Groupon is the one I use the most. So again, you get 2% back on cash on stuff you spend on Groupons. And Groupons is a discount place app. You go to restaurants, you get 2 for $20 for lunch. You get discounts on trips, discounts on activities, discounts on Xbox Live service. It's online it's $60, but on Groupon it's $50. So you get $10 off, plus you get 2% in your Acorns account. So I love this. Grubhub, use Grubhub. If you're renting a car, you can use Hertz, Hotwire, Hulu, whatever you want to buy anyway online. Check out Acorns, and they're always adding stuff on a regular basis as well. I see a lot of new stuff in here. I haven't been here in a while. If you buy stuff on Nike, you get 5% invested if you buy Nike products, and that's how it should be. If I'm buying stuff from a company, they should give me some kind of stock or something in return. And with Acorns, it's possible. It's possible. So, yeah. So that's it for my video. Check it out. I spent $9 so far on this thing. It works pretty well. And I spent my debit card like I normally do and keep moving. So my name is Tyler with sking.com. Thanks for watching my video. If you look below the video as well, if you use my code here, I'm trying to get 5 friends by this month. But if you use my code here, you get $5 back as well. So here's my link here. I'll put below the video. And I'll get $5 and you get $5 just for signing up with Acorns, which is totally. Now, Acorns not free. Acorns will charge you $1 a month for their service, $2 a month for their Roth IRA, which is not bad because you need a Roth IRA anyway. I got it through Acorns, so any dividends you get as well, they'll reinvest it. So it's totally hands off. So my name is Tyler with sking.com. Thanks for watching.